Hey love, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my fall back to school morning routine. So during the weekdays, my workouts start between 4:30 and 5 o'clock in the morning. Of course, I grab a Celsius before I head out, and child, there is nobody outside. When I say nobody, nobody. I love to work out this early because I'm up before my kiddos and I get home in time in order to get their breakfast ready and get them to school on time. When I get to the gym, I do a little bit of walking and I finish it off on the Stairmaster. By the time I get home, my kids are usually up. I share the first part of the morning routine with my husband. He gets him dressed while I'm at the gym, and I start the breakfast and school lunch routine the minute I get home. Y'all saw when I got home, my daughter handed me these waffles, so she already knew what she wanted. Normally in the mornings, we let them pick what they want to eat for breakfast. So I'm just going ahead and getting these waffles prepared and going ahead and prepping my youngest son his food. He's 11 months old and he's currently baby-led weaning. Right now, I'm just giving him some strawberries and some buttered toast. And he's doing really, really great at baby-led weaning. I'm very, very proud of him. So after I have baby squared away, I go ahead and start the lunch for my oldest. He doesn't like the school lunch, so I always have to make lunch for him at home. And I think that alone be the most of the hassle. Because you guys, when I get home, I literally have 45 minutes to get these kids out the door in order for them to get to school on time. And making my son's lunch be taking at least almost 20 minutes of the 40 minutes I have. Because I'm standing there trying to figure out what I'm going to give him for lunch. And I remember one of my supporters had told me to prep his lunch the night before. And I was against it at first because at night, we moms be having so much to do. Especially if we have to do the nighttime routine as well. I didn't want to do one more thing at night, but girl, you're doing it in the morning anyway. It's the same doing. I was just against it, but now I think I'm going to go ahead and try that and see if I could get out the door much faster with his lunch already prepped. Both my oldest kids take water bottles to school, so I normally just start prepping them early in the morning. And I also make my baby a formula because as soon as he's done eating, he likes to drink his milk. And even though he is baby-led weaning, he's eating table foods, he still likes to drink his formula in the morning and at night. So as soon as my husband is dressed for work, he normally comes down and helps me out. He helps the kids with their shoes. He touches up my son's hair. I go ahead and put the kids' snacks in their backpacks, and I go ahead and touch up my daughter's hair. My 2-year-old is still potty training, and before I walk out that door, I always have to make sure that she uses the potty, and then it's more chaos, ensuring that everyone's shoe is on, my shoe is on, my daughter, oh, there goes my camera, thank you. My daughter's shoe is on, and we are ready to go, ready to walk out that door. My 5-year-old is in pre-K, my 3-year-old is in daycare, and my youngest is at home with me, and they all have to be at school by 8 o'clock. So once I finish the school drop off, I always have to clean up. It's a part of my morning routine to tidy up the house every single morning. So I start first in the sitting room, and while I'm doing that, my baby is having a blast with our shoes. So normally while I'm cleaning, he's, uncleaning, or there goes the camera again. He's uncleaning, but it's just small stuff. So I just clean the major things, and as soon as he goes down for a nap, I clean the area all over again. You guys, when I come back home, my kitchen is a mess. It is a mess because I don't clean while I'm, getting breakfast ready or getting lunch ready. I just don't. I don't have time to do it. I don't do it. So I just save that for when I get back and everybody's out the house. Hubby's at work. My daughter and son are at school. And that's when I proceed to like tidy up the living room, the sitting room, and the kitchen area. I also always put in a load of dishes at night. And I use this time to unload the dishwasher and put everything away.
She no island girl, she from Kilimanjaro, Kiliman, nah, she no island girl, she from Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro. My little baby girl.
Yes, girl, I'll be cleaning my stove 2 in the morning. Yes, because I don't know if you guys are like this, but if I'm super, super tired the night before, and this is like very rare that I'm super tired and my kitchen isn't clean, because I do make it, if I don't do nothing else, the laundry gonna be done and the kitchen gonna be clean, period. But if I don't get to do that the night before, it will be done in the morning. Anything I didn't do the night before will be done in the morning. But it's very important to me to make sure downstairs is clean when I come home from drop off, because I work from home. A lot of things I do from home, I don't want like to do in chaos. So I always have to ensure when everybody gone, clean it and tidy it. If nothing is not tidy, it ain't gonna be downstairs. Downstairs is always tidy. Upstairs is another story, but we ain't talking about that.
I like your boy. Everything go from Maria. Sensibility, yeah. Pretty girl like you, Maria.
By the time I'm done cleaning, it's always time for my son's first nap. So I drop the kids off at 8 and I'm back home and cleaning from 8:30 to 9:30 in order for my son to take his first nap by 10 o'clock. So I normally put him down around that time, and his second nap is at 12. So after I make my bed, which I don't do the minute I wake up, that I do that later. I always do laundry every single morning. These are some things I put in place because before I had this routine, when it wasn't in place, laundry would stack up. So it's easier for me to do laundry every single morning with a family of 5 and get it done so it doesn't stack up. So laundry is non-negotiable in the morning, and cleaning and tidying up downstairs is non-negotiable in the morning as well. Both of my toddlers take ASL swimming after school, so I always make sure to prep the swimming things before I start my self-care routine in order to be ready to go when it's time to pick them up. Now I'm about to just take a shower, because remember I went to the gym this morning? Yeah, girl. Who be cleaning and then they take a shower? Not me. So I take my shower, I get dressed for the day, and now it's normally 12 o'clock. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.